everyone! In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 study tips and tricks that can be used to better study habits. Studying, of course, is a crucial part of school. Studying itself increases knowledge gain, thinking skills, and has multiple other benefits in life. So, if you have a difficult time studying or learning certain topics, I hope that these tips can help. Firstly, create a music playlist specifically for studying. Music has been proven to reduce stress in students, decreasing heart rate, blood pressure, and anxiety. Studies have also shown that listening to music can actually increase your focus levels. With music, you can maximize the benefits from studying and get more out of it. When creating a playlist, be sure to use instrumental music such as classical or lo-fi, as songs with lyrics can actually distract you from the work. Additionally, there are many playlists that have been created on Spotify and YouTube that can be used. Overall, instrumental music is a great way to focus and lock onto studying. Another tip is to rewrite notes that were already taken in class. Here are some of my notes that I took in class on the left, and here are some notes that I rewrote by myself on the right. As you can see, they are completely different. Not only does rewriting your notes provide a chance to make your notes look amazing, but it also allows you to reorganize subjects into a way that you would understand. Additionally, rewriting your notes allows you to go over a subject, acting as a great refresher for your memory. Furthermore, writing rather than typing has been proven to increase memory in a subject, as your brain connects to and processes the information, allowing for more interpretation and understanding. In the future, the rewritten notes taken would help with studying upcoming tests or finals with ease. Another trick is to use Quizlet, but not to cheat. And I'm not talking about the whole pre-made test answers that you can search for and find. Actually, don't use Quizlet to cheat, because finding answers by yourself has way more benefits than cheating to find them. I'm talking about the specific features on Quizlet. Specifically, for memorization of dates, topics, and vocabulary, Quizlet is a great resource for studying. You can make your own flashcards with your own variety of terms on them, and later apply that to the learn or write features to constantly practice them. You can even quiz yourself on your terms at the end using the test option. Quizlet is a great resource for memorization and studying. Another tip is to reteach and explain the subject or topic you're studying to somebody else as a way to actually reteach yourself. By explaining the topic thoroughly to somebody else who doesn't know about it, your brain can process and organize the information in a way that someone would be able to understand it, which further helps with your own understanding and interpretation of it. And if there's nobody around, an alternative is to write a pretend paper explaining your subject to an imaginary clueless person. Again, this can help yourself review a subject and achieve a full understanding. The last tips have to do with memorization. Memorizing things such as information, presentations, speeches, etc. can be difficult, trust me. However, I've used these methods over the years to help me, making memorization a piece of cake. If you're memorizing a simple order of terms, try making an acronym out of the first letter of each term. If you memorize the acronym, it'll be easy to look at the first letter and know your term. For example, in physics we had to memorize measurements, so I used King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. The crazier the acronym, the easier it is to remember, actually. If you're memorizing a longer piece, such as a paragraph or speech, try making a song out of the words so your brain will remember it. Or write it all down, as the brain is able to process it better, as we talked about earlier, and memorize the first sentence. Then add another sentence, memorizing the first 2 sentences, then add another. I find that memorizing in small chunks is tedious, but will definitely get the job done. I really hope that these study tips help you out. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, comment them below. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe because it really helps the girl out.